This home is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and checks all the boxes. Let me go show you some of them. Open concept, big old island seating for 5, updated appliances, dining, living, natural light, big ceilings. Check, check, and check. Downstairs bedroom and bathroom, check. Upstairs family room, just for your family, check. 1, 2, 3 additional bedrooms, all with their own ensuite. So if you're counting, all 5 bedrooms have their own ensuite bathroom. Check, 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 check. Upstairs laundry room with lots of cabinet space, sink, and drying racks. What? Check. Half bath for your guests? Check. This primary retreat is, again, the big ceilings. Big ceilings, lots of natural light, flows right into the bathroom. You get your own vanity on each side. Dedicated tub, shower, water closet, and a really large walk-in closet. Check and check. I hope you've enjoyed watching our tour of 1601 Sonora Creek. This home really does check all the boxes. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, almost 3,400 square feet. It was built in 2019, so almost brand new. Lovely California room, built-in barbecue behind the camera. It is a awesome home and you have to see it. For a private tour, contact me, David Feldberg, at 949-439-6288. Thanks for watching.